Hello, take two. I was merrily rambling away and looked down and I wasn't recording. Don't know what happened. So, go over what I just said. As you can see, that's a new machine in front of you. That is a Dyson DC01. It's a bit rough and ready. I only paid £10 for it. It needs some work done. So far, all that I've done is to clean the filters. You can see that it's full of dog hair because I've been generally just using it upstairs just to see how well it works. Now it is quite good, exceptional I would say, at picking up hair, but I'm not convinced it's picking up a lot of the more finer dirt, which certainly the sharks do. I'm going to empty it out and we'll do a mess test with it. I've got quite a lot of mess to use, including what it's got there, so I probably won't use it all on it, but I've pulled out the Hoover Turbolite for a little spin and we'll use it because it's a bagged machine and the bag needs changed soon, so we'll use it. But first of all, let's just have a look, listen to this. Okay, so nothing down, we're just going to do a couple of passes. As you can hear, it is quite rough and ready. I'm not sure how visible the tracks are on the carpet, but they are definitely there. So it does perform well. It's not a bad machine by any standards. It came with 2 tools. Pretty good going for the age of it. And I'm planning on cleaning it up and getting it running better. But for the moment, let's set up a mess test. I'll put you on pause because it's going to be awful lot of faffing about. Okay, as you can see, I was wrong. It has picked up small particles. That's a great big lump of hair. I've got the Kirby primed. I'm probably going to block it, but I just want to clear this up and use what's in the sharks rather than this, because none of the machines appreciate cat litter, although I am aware there's cat litter in the sharks. Okay, let's go. think that done the Kirby many favours. I think it'll definitely need a good empty. But we're mostly clear, so I'm going to set up the mess test for the Dyson. Pause while I do that. Okay, so the plan is that I'll do this mess test with the Dyson, and then I'll use the other shark bin for the turbo. Then it's kind of less work on me because I have been really ill recently. I was in hospital by ambulance from the house. For not being able to breathe, so probably the less I do this the better, but I was itching to do one, so here we are. Right, cross your fingers that the Dyson, it should manage that. We'll see. I think that performed very well, and for what was a full shark bin, you see, I hate moving the camera, we'll get it back right again, but it's not a full Dyson bin, and that is something that I really try and impress on people on Facebook mainly, where they buy a shark and they vacuum their house or a room and then rave just how amazing it is that look, it's already full, it's picking up that much dirt. And yeah, it's picking up the dirt, but it's already full because the bin's smaller than the vacuum it replaced. So that was the bigger shark bin, which, oh, I do have it noted down, but everything's fallen over. Let's check my notes. I don't remember my notes in ages. I took ill. Okay. So the Shark NV680 UK, which is the one that I just emptied for that mess test, has a 1 litre capacity. Now I can't Google how much the Dyson is because I'm using my tablet to film this, but I'm guessing it's probably a 3 litre capacity. And it's almost like an illusion for selling vacuum cleaners. I mean, constantly there are posts like, wow, just look how much it picked up. And just so much rolling of eyes because it's like, no, yes, it's a well-made machine, it does do great pickup, it does a reasonable deep clean, But as you've just seen there, the Dyson picked up everything that the shark had, and in a more challenging way. You might have heard it have a bit of a stutter while it pulled some stuff in. Not sure what the... Of course. I mean... That's the brush bar. Nice and clean. Bar what? No, that's nothing. So, no clogs. No wrap around the brush bar. And picked everything up. And where I said I didn't think it was picking up fine dirt, it was. It was all just lying inside the cone bit. And there's like a dip all around the edge. It was all in there. I vacuumed it out using the Kirby because it wasn't coming out by shaking it. It was embedded. Cat litter. But there's a DC01 that's very rough. Just performed comparably to a shark. And could do more, because what could do the same again, if not twice the same again, before it's full. And I really do think a lot of vacuum cleaners get a bad rep for being not as good, just because the likes of the Shark and even the newer Dysons have like the illusion aspect of the smaller bin, making people think that these older machines just aren't capable, when they are. I mean, the only machine that I've found not as capable is the Orec, and I love my Orec, both of them, don't get me wrong, even though I tried to set one on fire. They are nice machines for grooming the carpet and picking up small amounts of dirt. They don't cope for like big mess tests, but they do cope for like daily cleaning. And they're nice to use. But yeah. So again, the tangent I'm on. If you see people like saying their old machines just wasn't performing because look at the Shark, unless it's clearly a shit machine that they own, I'd maybe tell them just to, check the spec, because it's a bit unfair to a lot of machines that are getting ditched because they're apparently shit. And the ones that have lost their suction, because that's what this was sold as, are just blocked. Not unblocked, it was fine. Anyway, I'm going to pause and then we'll do the next mess test. And we're back with the Hoover Turbolite. I do love this machine. It's fun to use. It was one of my first big finds, so I'm attached to it. In my Electrolux Super 2 Turbo. But it's been a while since this has been out, so I felt it deserved an outing, as it just lives in the hall looking pretty. So we're going to try it with this mess test, which is made up of hair and cat litter. Now obviously I've spread this about, but the difference between the Shark's picking up hair to the Dyson, it comes out in like just one massive ball. In the Shark, it comes out in like bits and pieces. So I'm guessing that's how the different like cyclone method works. Because the Dyson is literally spinning it and meshing it together. Whereas the Shark isn't. It is just going into the machine and not doing much. Anyway, enough of my rambling. Let's get back to the mess test. that was one pass. Probably a bit too much for the old boy hair wise, because it was a lot of hair. Let's see how we do in the second pass. Okay, that was about 3.5, 4 passes there, just to lift all the hair. But this machine wasn't built to do that. So it has done its job, but a few more passes. We'll see how it does in the next bit. I've just noticed the camera's moved. Shite. Hopefully you didn't miss all of that. Christ. Well, that was a waste of time if you did. I'm really sorry. I'm not on the ball today, I have to say. Yeah, that was unfortunate. So we'll do our final check as normal. Oh, my Hoover room is the spare room, and I had it set up perfectly. Everything was where I wanted it. Machines were within reach. Then we had guests stay, and it's never been right since. Anyway, we'll do a quick check with the shark, which hopefully you'll see. I may have moved the camera at the point when the Dyson tried to kill itself. Fine, fall over. Oh. Anyway, quick buzz with the shark. picked up nothing. Bin's as clean as it started. So while the Hoover Turbolite did seem to struggle with the hair, and what I felt it was doing was when it was rolling over it, it was kind of flattening it into the carpet and then sort of binding it into the carpet fibre, which made it harder for it to pull out. So at least we know it does a beautiful clean. I mean, that carpet, well, that bit of rug has been cleaned so far today by the Dyson, the Kirby, the Turbolite and the Shark. I proclaim it the cleanest bit of carpet in my village. Anyway, I hope I didn't screw up the Turbolite doing its business. I'll have to check. But I'm hoping to do another video, probably not today because I'm now shattered, but maybe tomorrow or later in the week, playing with the new rug. It is fun to play with. I'm slowly learning how to write in fake fur. Anyway, take care everyone. Thank you for watching. Any comments, drop them down. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe and see when I put things up, hit the subscribe button. If you're really keen, ring the bell and you'll be notified as soon as any video of mine goes live. Thanks again. Bye.